Welcome! Today, I've prepared a video you'll watch with great interest. If you're ready, let's begin!
Have you ever closed your phone and felt strangely empty?
Not tired, not sad, just empty. You didn't do anything hard. You were just scrolling. So, why does your brain feel drained after that? This feeling is not an accident. Your brain is reacting exactly as designed. Let me explain what is really happening. Every time you scroll, your brain expects a reward. Not a big one, just a tiny hit. That hand. Your brain loves new things, so it keeps you scrolling. You tell yourself, just one more. A shocking headline. A face you've never seen before. Yeah. Minutes pass without you noticing. Your brain is busy, but not fulfilled. It's like eating candy instead of real food. Sweet at first, empty afterward. So what is actually happening in your brain? Every scroll gives your brain a small reward. A like, a video, a new face. Your brain releases dopamine, not happiness, motivation. But here is the problem. The brain loves balance. When dopamine goes up too fast, it must come down. That drop feels like emptiness. That's why after scrolling, studying feels hard, working feels boring, even relaxing feels tiring. Small investments. Your brain is not broken, it's just exhausted. Every time you scroll your phone, your brain expects something new. It waits, it hopes, it wants a reward. Sometimes you get a funny video, sometimes a message. Sometimes nothing interesting at all, but your brain keeps waiting. This waiting creates tension inside your brain. You don't notice it, but it's there. When something interesting appears, your brain releases dopamine. It feels good, but only for a moment. Then your brain wants more, and more, and more. This is why 1 minute becomes 10, and 10 becomes 30, without you realizing it. After you stop scrolling, the world feels slower, quieter, less exciting. That's when people say, I don't feel like doing anything. But the problem is not laziness, it's overstimulation. Your brain used too much energy on small rewards. Now it has none left for real life. That's why studying feels impossible. Even opening a book feels heavy. The scary part is, this feels normal now. So how do you fix this without quitting your phone? The answer is not extreme changes, it's small daily resets. First reset, stop scrolling right after waking up. Give your brain silence first. When you wake up and scroll immediately, your brain thinks this is the new normal speed of life. Boring. Yes, boring. Sit. Walk. Wash dishes. This tells your brain you are safe without constant stimulation. Third reset. Delay pleasure. Just a little. When you want to scroll, wait 10 seconds. Breathe. Then decide. Most of the time, the urge disappears, and slowly, your brain learns patience again. Then, focus feels easier, time feels slower, life feels fuller. Your brain is not weak. It's trying to protect you. But the world you live in is very loud, very fast, very demanding. So your brain learns shortcuts. Scrolling, checking, escaping. You didn't choose this on purpose, but now that you see it, you can change it. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Put the phone down for a moment. Look around. Feel the silence. That silence is where your focus returns. That's where your energy comes back. And that's where real life begins again. If this video made you stop and think, then it worked. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.